Hello, model train people, also known as the model train collectors, and hello, rail fanners. I'm CB Productions. Who's ready to see the Lionel, LionChief, Percy, James, and Diesel sound reveals? You already know Thomas is. Here we go. Let's hear Percy.
The number 6 green engine. I'm Thomas's best friend. I love delivering the mail. I'm Thomas.
Well, we've heard off of I'm Thomas's best friend and all that stuff. We already know Percy now. Now let's hear James.
The number 5 red engine. I'm the brightest red engine on Sodor. Mind my paintwork.
Yep, now we've heard enough of James. Now you know what James sounds like. Next up is Soda's railway troublemaker, Devious Diesel. Here we go.
Honking horns. Look at me go. I'm the fastest engine in the world. I can beat a steamy any day.
And we also have the Thomas the Tank Engine Fright area. The Solar Fright. Let's hear his sleigh bells. That's the same as the Thomas and Friends LionChief set, but it's different. It has the sleigh bells. If you like this video, please subscribe to CB Productions for more videos every day. See you later.